Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 50 divide 10 minus 5 multiply 2. Okay, so now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, M means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so according to the rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So here is 10 minus 5 is a parenthesis. Okay, so 50 divide 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 multiply 2. Now multiplication and division both have equal priority. Here is division, multiplication, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So 50 divide 5 is equal to 10, so 10 multiply 2. Okay, now multiply this. 10 multiply 2 is equal to 20. Okay, so the correct answer is 20. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.